Can you actually believe that there are credit union credit cards out there that have high limits, dirt cheap APR, and that cater to poor or fair credit borrowers? Insane, right? Well, guess what? In today's conversation, I'm going to reveal those 10 credit cards to you. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as sublime as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to do one simple thing. I want to reveal to you 10 rare credit union credit cards for high limits, poor or fair credit, and low APR. And please rest assured that all the credit unions that I'm going to reveal in today's conversation are public credit cards. In other words, public credit unions. In other words, you don't have to be affiliated to a specific industry, to be affiliated to the military, to have some kind of affiliation to be eligible. There are ways to become a member of those credit unions, and I'm going to show them to you. All right. So, but before we get into the actual nitty gritty, I want you to understand that applying for a credit card at a credit union is not that different from applying for a credit card at a traditional bank. The only difference is that they have a lower APRs, okay? And credit unions require some kind of a more, I would say, human touch, human relationship. So you might want to visit a branch. You might want to do things on the phone as opposed to going online and filling an application form, because credit unions are non-for-profit financial institutions, whereas banks and other credit card issuers are for-profit financial institutions. So the process is totally different here. So you got to have that in mind, all right? And all the 10 credit unions that I will be speaking about today are able to cater to you. You don't have to live in the same states. You don't have to live in the city or the county where the credit union is headquartered in. No, it doesn't matter, okay? But before I get into the nitty-gritty here, please check out our short credit card evaluation approach video. It tells you our method, our approach when it comes to ranking, when it comes to reviewing, when it comes to categorizing credit cards on this show. Check this out. All right, number 10, we have America First Credit Union Visa Signature Credit Card. Our score, 7.5 over 10. Now, to become a member of this America First Credit Union, you just need to be part of an affiliated association, and there are thousands of affiliated associations. So you just want to call them up, and they will tell you which one you need to be a member of, and all you have to do is pay $5 and be part of that association, and you can be a member of America First Credit Union. Now, let's talk about the card itself. The card is fantastic. You can choose between 1% or 1.5% cash back on everything you purchase. You can redeem points for merchandise or travel, exclusive discounts on dining events and shopping. You have concierge service, built-in travel discounts, 24-hour roadside dispatch. The APR oscillates between 5% and 15% based on your credit, and you can get up to $10,000 on credit limits, okay? And in terms of security, this is a great card. You have identity theft recovery services. You have Card Guard mobile app. You have chip enabled security. So this is pretty cool. Number 9, folks, we have Boeing Employees Credit Union Low Rate Visa Credit Card. Our score, 8 over 10. And this is a card where you can enjoy a low rate with no annual fee. And so you have a 0% intro APR for 12 months on both purchases and balance transfers for new cardholders. After that, your rate is actually variable, currently ranging from 7.99% to 20% based upon your credit worthiness. There's no balance transfer fees, fantastic, no cash advance fees, no foreign transaction fees, and other travel. You also have other travel abroad perks. The limits actually oscillate between $2,000 and $25,000. Okay, and to become actually a member of the BECU credit union, if you're not a Boeing employee or you're not related to an existing member, all you have to do is to donate to a foundation called KEXP. Okay, so we're showing you right now on the screen the link to that organization, and you just have to donate $5 or $1, depending upon your generosity level, and then you're in. Then you become a member of BECU. Of course, before you get the Visa card, you need to open an account with BECU, a savings account, where you need to maintain $5 or $10. And once you have all those things, you can apply for the card. Number 8, folks, we have PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. Our score, 8/10. This is a great card. This is a card that allows you to have rewards on everyday purchases. You can earn as you pay and get a little more with your everyday purchases. And you can get rewards at the supermarket and at the gas pump. You have no annual fee. The purchase APR is variable between 13% and 17%. So you have 5x on gas purchases paid at the pump, 3x on groceries, 1x on all other purchases. You even get 100 bonus offer statement credit when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. Fantastic. Now, the PenFed actually is affiliated with the military, but you can actually become a member of the PenFed Credit Union if you actually join Voices for America's Troops or the National Military Family Association. You just got to donate, again, $1 or $2 to that organization, and then you can become a PenFed Credit Union member. And once you do that, you just need to create an account, a checking account or a savings account. And once you have that, you can apply for the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. Okay, and the APR is great. The credit limits oscillates between $1,000 and $50,000 depending upon your credit worthiness. Number 7, folks, we have Alliant Visa Signature Card. Our score, 8.5/10. This is a card that is great. It is designed for high spenders with excellent, bad credit, no credit, or low credit, or fair credit. They're pretty open. And this is a true cashback card with no categories to track. So you actually, the rates are as low as 12.24% APR, no foreign transaction fees, $0 annual fee, and they have a generous credit line that actually is pretty flexible. It goes from $1,000 all the way to $75,000. Okay, so we have seen people who have received $50,000 from a line. So this is it's pretty open. It really depends upon the strength of your credit card application. And one thing we love is that with Alliant Visa Signature Card, the card works with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. And you have $0 fraud liability guarantee from Visa. So this is pretty cool. Number 6, folks, I'm still giving you the rundown of the 10 rare credit union credit cards for high limit, poor or fair credit, and low APR. So number 6, we have Aspire Platinum MasterCard. Our score, 8.5/10. Here you have 1x point per dollar for all purchases. You have an introductory bonus, 5,000 points after spending 2,000 in the first 3 months of account opening. So you basically, intro balance transfer APR is 0% for 6 billing cycles. The regular balance transfer APR, 10% to 18% variable. Balance transfer fee, 2% or $5 minimum. There's no penalty APR, late fee up to $25, return payment fee up to $25, and foreign transaction fee, 1%. One thing I want to see here is that with the Aspire Platinum MasterCard, you can get a credit limit all the way to $75,000, and the APR fluctuates between 8% and 15%. And applying for an Aspire credit card requires joining the credit union, so you can become a member if you or an immediate family member work for a select employer group or by joining the American Consumer Council. So it's very simple. Number 5, folks, we have the Navy Federal Visa Signature Flagship Rewards Card. Our score, 9 over 10. And let's talk about the rates here. The purchase and balance transfer variable APR between 5.99% and 18%, depending upon your credit worthiness. All right. The fees, you have a $49 annual fee, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance fees. The rewards, you have 3x points on travel, 2x points on everything else. You can receive a statement credit up to $100 for global entry or TSA pre-check. That's pretty cool. And no rewards limit, no rewards expiration while account is open. Points redeemed for cash, travel, gift cards, and merchandise. And you can, and so you have worldwide automatic travel accident insurance. And what we love with this card is that you can get a credit limits. They actually are open to all kinds of credit: bad credit, low credit, fair credit, no credit, excellent credit, up to, and they can actually increase your limits all the way to $75,000. Okay, the APR fluctuates between, as I said, 5.99% and 18%. And how do you join the Navy Federal Credit Union? There is a wide array of association and options that you can choose to join the Navy Federal Credit Union if you're not affiliated with the military. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. I'm still speaking to you about 10 rare credit union credit cards for high limits, poor or fair credit, and dirt cheap APR. Number 4, folks, we have here the First Tech Odyssey Rewards World Elite MasterCard. Our score, 9 over 10. And for the APR, you have the APR ranges from 6.99% to 18%. The annual fee, first year is free, then $75 thereafter. 30,000 bonus rewards point when you spend 3,000 in the first 3 months. Premium rewards for travel and dining. And this is more than plastic. You get the smartphone app for anytime, anywhere access. You have global concierge services and up to 100,000 credit limits. Okay, so this is pretty good. And what we love with this card also is that the customer service is great. Fantastic. And you actually can earn points. So you can earn 2x rewards points. You can earn 2 points for every dollar spent on dining, including takeout and delivery. You have Shop Runner, so you can receive unlimited free 2-day shipping and free return shipping on purchases at more than 140 online stores, including clothing, shoes, beauty, electronics, home, gifts, and more. Okay, this is really good. And to join this First Tech Odyssey Credit Union, you just have, if you don't have the, if you can't go the traditional route, you can become a paid member of the Computer History Museum or the Financial Fitness Association, and then you're in. Number 3, folks, we have the State Department Federal Credit Union Savings Secured Visa Platinum Card. This is a secured card, but it's a great card. Our score, 9.5 over 10. And this is a great card because your card is secured by the funds in your savings account. And it's a great option for building or improving your credit while enjoying the benefits and convenience of a credit card. Okay. An available credit line starts at $250 and can go all the way to $50,000. You have a competitive low rate. You can earn flex point rewards, so 1 point for every dollar spent. If you use your card responsibly, you can be automatically graduated to a platinum rewards credit card. And you have Visa card benefits like roadside dispatch, 25-day grace period on purchases, ATM cash advance fee of $3, no cost at teller. And you have the ability to join the SDFCU and apply at the same time. And you also have contactless chip technology. The cool thing about this is that you can actually, if you're not affiliated with the U.S. Department of State, you can actually become a paid member of the American Council, the American Consumer Council, and you're in. So this is pretty easy. Great card. Number 2, folks, we have here the Hughes Federal Credit Union Visa Platinum Card. Our score, 9.5 over 10. This card is great when it comes to customizations. You can take advantage of the savings potential here. This is pretty good. And in terms of credit limits, you have the range is from $100 to $25,000. You have contactless technology. It works with Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay. No annual fee, low interest rate, no cash advance fee, and 24-hour cash access at ATMs worldwide. No interest charge on purchases if the balance is paid in full each month by the payment due date. And this card actually is open to, they welcome people with bad credit, low credit, no credit, fair credit, good credit, the whole 9 yards. They are open to that. In terms of APR, you're looking at APR from 6.5% to 12.5%. Okay, and this is Visa. This is a Visa Platinum credit card. It's very important to mention that. And you can become a member by being an active or retired employee of a sponsor company, by living, working, worshiping, or attending school in Tucson, or by becoming a paid member of the Friend of the Library organization for the Oro Valley, Green Valley, and Pima County. Okay, so if you cannot qualify through the traditional route, you can just become a paid member of the Friend of the Library organization of the Oro Valley, Green Valley, and Pima County. That's very simple. Number one, folks, when it comes to the top 10 rare credit union credit cards for high limit, poor or fair credit, and dirt cheap APR, you have the SDCCU Visa Signature Card. SDCCU stands for the San Diego County Credit Union. And you have great rewards with this card, okay? We love it. And you can earn unlimited 2x signature rewards per dollar spent on all eligible net purchases. You can redeem points for gift cards, travel, merchandise, and event tickets. You pay a $0 annual fee in the first year, then $89. Your credit limits can go from $100 all the way to $100,000, okay? $100 all the way to $100,000. The APR oscillates between 2.99% to 22.99%, depending upon your credit worthiness, all right? No annual fee for the first year, as I said. Balance transfer fee. There is balance transfer fee. There is a cash advance fee. There is a penalty fee. So if you have late payment, you will be paying $10. If you have a return payment fee, it will be up to $20. What we love is that, as with any credit union, as a prospective cardholder, you'll need to join SDCCU to qualify. You can become a member if you live or work in San Diego, Riverside, or Orange counties, or if you are a member of the Financial Fitness Association. So you can live somewhere in New York or Texas, whatever, and then you just need to become a member of the Financial Fitness Association, and you're in. All right, folks, this was it for today's conversation. I was speaking to you about the 10 rare credit union credit cards for high limits, poor or fair credit, and dirt cheap APR. Number one here, we have SDCCU Visa Signature Card. Our score 10 over 10. Number two, we have Hughes Federal Credit Union Visa Platinum Card. Our score 9.5 over 10. Number three, the State Department Federal Credit Union Savings Secured Visa Platinum Card, 9.5 over 10. Number four, the First Tech Odyssey Rewards World Elite MasterCard, 9 over 10. Number five, the Navy Federal's Visa Signature Flagship Rewards Card, 9 over 10. Number six, the Aspire Platinum MasterCard, 8.5 over 10. Number seven, the Aligned Visa Signature Card, 8.5 over 10. Number eight, we have the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card, 8 over 10. Number nine, we have the Boeing Employees Credit Union Low Rate Visa Credit Card, 8 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have America First Credit Union Visa Signature Credit Card, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.